Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to reset a T-Mobile account password. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to reset a T-Mobile account password, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar, type in tmobile.com. And then once that's done, hit enter and you'll be transferred to the homepage of the T-Mobile. Now, in order to reset password, what you need to do is click on My Account or the drop-down menu right beside My Account, and you'll find an option that says Login right here. Simply click on that. Then once you click on that, you'll be transferred to the login page of the T-Mobile. All you gotta do is enter in the email or number associated with it, and then if you don't know your password and the forget password option isn't available, simply enter in the wrong password, and then you'll find an option that says forget password option right here. Simply click on it. The next step is to enter your account info. Enter your T-Mobile phone number, username or email address associated with your account, then complete the captcha if prompted, and once that's done, click submit or continue. Next step is to verify your identity. T-Mobile will send a verification code to your phone or email. Simply enter the code in the space provided. The next step is to create a new password. Simply enter a new password and make it strong using letters, numbers and symbols, and then confirm the new password and then click on submit. The next step is to sign in with the new password by returning to the login page and entering your email or phone number and entering the new password, and then click on sign in. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.